The sun's out, the water is crystal clear, and today we're taking you along for the ultimate beach day. From cruising 4x4 tracks to spotting sea life in the clearest of blue water, this day seriously delivered. We fired up the barbecue, soaked up every second of the ocean, and ended it all getting our brand new caravan cleaned, organised, and ready for what's next. If this is your kind of day, well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Sutton Crew. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. You ready to go on an adventure today? Nova. Where are we off to today?
Cape Palmerston.
Are you still sleeping?
A little bit. Yeah.
We're both a bit tired today.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you very much for the support that we've had on the last ones. We noticed there was a fair few of you and we would love to know where you're from. So just drop a comment from what city or state you're in. We'd love to know where you are. But I'm going to hand it over to Shauna and we're going to tell you a little bit about ourselves.
Alright, so where are we from?
I was born in Mackay, raised in the Hunter Valley in New South Wales, and then moved back here 16 years ago.
I have, however, lived in Mackay my whole life. We're up in North Queensland. We love it, but yeah, time to start venturing out.
Time to show Shauna what Australia has to offer and get out and see all these other beautiful places.
What do we do for work?
I am a professional tattoo artist working at a tattoo studio in Mackay at Gold Empire, and I've been doing that for the last 6 years now. Previously, I did 3.5 years as an electrician. Yeah, I just fell out of love for the electrical trade and wanted to try something different, and this fell into my lap. And here we are 6 years later, loving what I do.
And then for me, well, before becoming a mama, I was a beautician for 9 years. I ran my own salon, which I absolutely loved. But then I realized I needed a bit of a change, which then I ventured into the airline industry. And then after the airline industry, I graduated to the best job in the world, which is Carter's mama. Okay, why now? Why are we choosing to travel when we've not long had a baby?
Well, the biggest reason that I want to do it is obviously to spend more time with the family and to get out into nature and have fun and enjoy and learn and grow, as we spoke about. But probably the biggest thing is everything has become so fast paced. Like the world is going 100 miles an hour, so to speak. Like the advancement of AI and technology and our phones and the screens and everything, the content that we're constantly fed over and over and over again. And I feel, especially a 3-month trip is almost like a bit of a detox, and we'll be able to, I know we'll be recording, but it's not really like job focused or...
Yeah, we're mainly going to be recording so that we can look back one day and show Cardi, and if you guys like our content and we continue bringing out content, our future kids will be able to look back on it and all the fun adventures we had. And yeah, that's the main reason we're doing it. Hey, to give our children and ourselves
and just to slow down and take everything in for what it is and look at the beautiful world that we live in and just enjoy ourselves a little bit more. This
is a good one. What is a struggle that we have overcome?
Our introduction to parenthood was quite scary.
Yes.
To say the least.
Our little baby boy Cardi, he was born at 29 weeks, so a whole whopping 3 months early. It was terrifying. That was a very scary experience. 8 long weeks of hospital stays, alarms that I'll never want to hear again.
It was traumatic, but we got through it together.
And you know what? I think it brought us stronger. He's happy, healthy, thriving right now. You wouldn't even know that that's happened. So if anyone is going through that experience right now, we can relate. There is light at the end of the tunnel.
what we got from that was a truly strong partnership, a bond that I believe that we will never be able to break. That was, we created something very, very special, and through those hard times, we became stronger as a couple. So we are now, I'd say, better parents for it.
Yeah.
And we learnt a lot.
If somebody is new here, why should they stick around?
In my opinion, this is just going to be real content. Like, we're going to be doing proper budgets. We're not selling a house. We're not going to have a lot of money. We're going to be trying to do this and show you guys that it can be done.
Yes.
Right? Like.
Yeah, exactly. Like, we do not have the flashes set up. Like, you know what? It could all go wrong.
Exactly.
We don't know.
Exactly.
And you know what? You're going to be tagging along with us. And we should really put in there, we are going to be traveling with a 1.5-year-old at the same time. So if we can do this, that's just going to prove to you guys that you can also do it. That's all we want out of this.
At the moment, he's all gravy. He's awesome. He's the best baby in the world.
He's amazing.
When he clicks over to 1.5,
he could be a little terror. We don't know.
Who knows?
But you know what? We're going to find that out. But anyways, I think that wraps it up a little bit about us. Hopefully you got to know us a little bit better.
If you want to know, if there's anything specific that you want to know about us, more about our jobs or my height, my weight, my ethnicity. If there's any other questions that you guys want to know, just leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer them.
Yeah, even about our journey, our travels coming up. If you want to ask us questions, go for it. But yeah, anyways, we'll get back to the video now. I hope you enjoy the day as much as we do.
See you soon.
Started with a thought, all over my head. Just a road and a dream. Packed up everything we knew.
Hey guys, if any of you are from the Isaac region in North Queensland, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know your favourite hidden gems or must-visit spots. We're always keen to explore more and add more places to our list.
Maps we drew, but never planned. Just your heart and my hand. Car was loaded, life inside. Every mile we left behind.
Alright, so this is a point around Cape Palmerston. It's called Shifty Point. When the tide comes in, the sand always changes, so it's never hard, always in the same spot from my experience, and the sand can get quite soft. So with something like this, if you can find somebody's tracks in front of you, they've already dug their own tracks, try and follow those, because your wheels are going to try and pull you out of them. But what you need to do is you kind of need to just give it to her, 2 hands on the wheel, nice steady firm grip, and just kind of feed it as you're moving around. The biggest thing with this is you don't want to stop momentum. That's when the car can kind of lose its momentum and dig into the sand, and you can get bogged moving around here. So as long as you keep it fed, keep it straight, and you shouldn't have any issues coming around this point at all. Just don't stop.
Not just roads beneath our wheels, but the life we used to feel. And I don't know where this goes, but I know we're not alone.
Don't do what Nate does. Very dangerous. I said don't do what Nate does.
These are the moments we'll never get back. The laughs, the tears, the roads we track. Through every mile, through every view. It's not the place, it's me and you. And when the world feels far away, we'll find ourselves out on the way. In every sunset, every hue, we're building something, something true.
Hi! Disgusted.
Tasman roads and ocean air. Little eyes just stop and
As we completed the first leg of our journey through the inland track, we were met with Windmill Bay. We decided to get out of the car, stretch our legs, feel the sand beneath our feet, and dip our toes in the water. After that, we devised a bit of a plan of where we wanted to head to next and have some lunch. If you're enjoying this video so far, please leave a like, consider subscribing and hitting that notification button so you're notified whenever we post new content.
He'll grow and we'll rewind to these roads we left behind. Every step, every view, all of it was me and you.
How's your day been so far, babe?
It's been pretty fun. We did a little bit of full driving. Put the stock rigs to the test up a couple of sand dunes.
Yeah, that was fun.
Went up to the lookout, and now we're just heading around to the next little beach where we're gonna have some lunch. So I'm sure you'll see all the footage from that. I'll probably do a research or something.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was so fun. I'm keen for some lunch, but
Except I went up a hill and I couldn't get up it, and then Reese and my brother-in-law tried to go up a hill and couldn't get up it, but the only factor was Shauna was in each pub at both times.
everyone's blaming me.
As soon as Shauna got out, we both went up. So I don't know if that's what it's saying.
I think I need to get myself back to the gym. I've only had 2 weeks off, thank you very much. All that holiday food didn't do me well. But yes, I am blaming me too.
Easter eggs.
Yeah, all the Easter eggs. Anyways, we'll see you at lunch.
These are the moments we'll never replace. Every mile, every place, through every high, through every blue. We found our life in something new. And when the years all pass us by, we'll look back with knowing eyes that all we ever really knew was home, was us, was you.
Really great bearings there. Bigger in shape. How'd you go? Getting them bush weeds down pat? Big ol'.
That wasn't meant to happen.
We pulled up to a little lunch stop here at Clark Bay, and honestly, it doesn't get much better than this. The weather is absolutely perfect, warm, sunny, and just begging for a swim. The water looks unreal, and it's one of those spots where you can actually just slow down, take it all in, and just enjoy where you are. Good food, great company, this is what it's all about. Honestly, days like this remind you just how lucky we are to have places like this so close to home. And as much as we'd love to stay, we're just going to start heading back, wash off the day, give the car a good clean, ready for our next adventures. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe and tag along for all our future adventures.
You gotta go back in.
Got a sexy lady over there. Ooh, she's smoking.
The sun goes down on another day. Dust settles where we made our way. Quiet now, but the feeling stays in every mile we gave away. Little lights still echo on in the places we've just gone. Every moment, big or small, we didn't miss a thing at all. And as the night rolls in, we hold it all within. These are the days we'll carry long after we're gone. In every road, in every view, it always comes back to you. And when the lights all fade to black, we know we'll find our way back. Through every mile,
Excuse me.
this life is where we're meant to be.
Oh, you're in trouble now. You're in trouble. Yeah.
What a beautiful day that was. As it comes to a close, we washed down the car, we tidied up the caravan, and most of all, we made some great memories. If this is the content that you like and you enjoy to watch, consider subscribing, dropping a like or a comment, turning on the notification bell so you can be notified for future videos. Thank you guys very much for watching this far. If you have, again, we're greatly appreciated. We can't wait to see you in the next adventure.